Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna review this Viomi SE vacuum cleaner. It's a vacuum cleaner that is made from the bigger company Xiaomi, but has the Viomi badge on it. And because of that, it's cheaper actually to buy. So I have this vacuum cleaner now for 3 months, and I'm very happy with it. As you can see, it has inside a water tank that is two in one. So combine the dust filter and a dust box and a tank of water. You can fill it up and can do both jobs at one. Like this, you don't lose any time at all, and it's very efficient. It has also this little brush and a knife on the other side to cut the hairs that are gonna stuck in the brush under the vacuum cleaner. Together I received two washable pads. They're very nice. You can use them a lot of times. As I said, I have them now 3 months and I'm very happy with them. And they are attached in this plastic base and has these holes so the water can go through this pad, and like this your floor is gonna get some water. So it's very easy to attach, it's very straightforward. You just put it in and has a velcros on the other side, and that's it. So easy was it. As I said, I'm very happy with this. You can take it easily out, you can wash it and use it again and again. To put it in is very easy. Just slide in the front of the vacuum cleaner and until you hear a click, and that was. To take it out, you have to press these two little buttons on the side and it's out again. You can put it in and out as much time as you like, and it feels like it has very good quality. So far, as I said, I'm very happy with this vacuum cleaner. Now we're gonna go to the rest of the review. So as I said, you can use this scissor to cut all the hairs that are gonna be stuck in the brush underneath. To take out the brush, you just have to remove this front panel, and it's so easy, it just pops out and you can cut all the hairs that they're gonna stuck there for a long time. All this you can see is from almost 2 months work in my house. We don't have a lot of hairs, we don't lose a lot of hairs. And then you just pop back in the cover, and that was very easy. To open it's also very easy. You just have to pull it up. You have a home button and a start button and a power button. It's very straightforward, very nice material. You also have the app. It's very easy to use. It's the app on Xiaomi, but Mi Home. You can use the standard medium, strong sucking function, water volume, how much water you want. Do you want water? Do you want to mop and suck at the same time, or only mopping? And as I said, it goes around your house, detects everything with a laser scanner and know what needs to be done.